Hi, dear friends. It's Denis Cherevichnik, a weapons historian and a knife maker. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to introduce you two brand new knives. These two knives are freshly designed, invented, and moreover patented by me. I've just got a certificate from IPO, Intellectual Property Office. So let's talk about the design or about the guts, what's inside these knives and what's the difference between my knives behind my concept. Speaking honestly, I'm not a big fan of most modern versions of traditional Spanish folders. Not the cold steel version nor the Spyderco one. So I've decided to make my own version. So I got my own idea how it should look like, and I made it. I hope so, I suppose. So as you can see, this one looks absolutely identical to the traditional Spanish albaceteña navaja from Albacete, Spain. But what's the difference? The main difference, the first feature is the more modern backlock. So you don't have to pull it back, but you can push it as you used to, most of you used to do. But the second one, most modern design with the so-called sub-hilt, my version of sub-hilt fighter, love it. It's more flat than this one. So it's, for someone, it could be more comfortable for everyday wear, everyday use. It got the same backlock, locking back. Sure, most of you got a question. What's the difference? This is just a regular backlock knives. I'll show you. Come on, go on, my precious. The main feature behind my concept is the ratchet. None of the modern versions of the Spanish navaja got the real Spanish ratchet. Not the imitation of the sound, but a real ratchet. My knives got it. Listen to it. See, it sounds like an angry rattlesnake. And it's real Spanish traditional ratchet and beautiful loud sound of the rattle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For sure I can make from 3 to 10 or more clicks. My concept allows it. And please don't look at the finish, because I made these prototypes just for IPO, Intellectual Property Office, to register it, to show my concept. So I almost don't pay attention to the finish of the knife. Easy, close it. And open, and again close and open. I'm gonna make versions fully riveted, then half riveted, and half screwed and fully screwed. The version with screws only. All my screws are of 10.9 grade, very tough screws. This is stainless steel 420. My maker's mark, doesn't matter. This is a G10, but I'm gonna use the better material for scales, as a horn, as a stabilized wood, burl, and so on. These two knives got blades with the lengths of 11 centimeters, but I'm gonna make a couple of more models with 150 millimeters and up to 190 millimeters. The huge one of the same design, or maybe I'll change something a little bit in this design. So one more. This is an Elforin. Maybe you know, or sure you know, this is a German artificial ivory. This ivory now is banned almost in all countries in Europe and in the United States, so it's better to use this composite. It looks good. Silver coin, and so click, 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 and it's opened. Very reliable construction. Very safe. That's all, folks, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon.